How to watch/stream Netflix with NordVPN. Note, this article is updated whenever NordVPN configurations change. If you start experiencing any issues with VPN for Netflix, you can come back to this post for updated information. To ensure secure access to Netflix, you can connect to any of NordVPN VPN servers listed below. We recommend using the servers closest to your location for the best connection speed and stability. Netflix US, you should connect to any of our servers in countries other than Canada, Germany, the United Kingdom, France, Italy, Japan, Australia, the Netherlands, India, Brazil, Spain, Portugal, South Korea, and Finland. Netflix CA, you should connect to any of our servers in Canada. Netflix DA, you should connect to any of our servers in Germany. Netflix UK, you should connect to any of our servers in the United Kingdom. Netflix FR, you should connect to any of our servers in France. Netflix IT, you should connect to any of our servers in Italy. Netflix JP, you should connect to any of our servers in Japan. Netflix O, you should connect to any of our servers in Australia. Netflix NL, you should connect to any of our servers in the Netherlands. Netflix ES, you should connect to any of our servers in Spain. Netflix IN, you should connect to any of our servers in India. Netflix BR, you should connect to any of our servers in Brazil. Netflix KR, you should connect to any of our servers in South Korea. Netflix Fi, you should connect to any of our servers in Finland. On Android and iOS devices, you can also quickly connect to the supported servers by clicking on hyperlinks from this article. Keep in mind that only US, CA, UK, FR, IT, DA, JP, O, NL, and ES regions are supported on Android boxes, Fire TV, and Smart TV devices. If you are still experiencing any issues with VPN for Netflix, try following these additional troubleshooting steps for streaming. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Nord customer support team. Warning, the NordVPN service should never be used to bypass copyright regulations. NordVPN does not promote, condone, or endorse the use of the service for such purposes. For more details, please read the NordVPN Terms of Service.